This bank is approving entrepreneurs up to $100,000 with no DAX or limited documentation within one business day. And on this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your approval too. Hi, and welcome to the channel. My name is Ariel Morel, aka Money Morel. I'm a former bank VP that worked for some of the biggest banks in the United States. And I'm responsible for originating over $100 million of business funding. And on this channel, I show you how you can get access to business capital to start, grow, or scale your business. So the bank that I have for you guys today is called Fifth Third Bank. This bank is actually a regional bank. This bank is only in about 11 states. They're in Florida, Georgia, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, West Virginia. They have a line of credit that's up to $100,000. However, they do have programs that go up to $250,000. But the program that they're heavily advertising, you might have seen all their ads online, is their $100,000 product that gets approved in one business day, as long as everything looks. So they have a line of credit that can be approved all the way from $10,000 to $100,000 without collateral and minimal documentation required. Usually they might just ask for a 45060. The stronger your credit, they have a chance that they're not going to ask for a lot of documentation. However, if they do ask for documentation, they might ask for 1 to 2 years of business tax returns, maybe 1 year of your personal tax return. And in some cases, they might just ask for your year two financials, which is your profit and loss statement, your balance sheet year to date, or maybe for 2024, if you haven't filed a tax return, maybe you just have your extension letter. Now, what is required to get approved for this deal? At a minimum, you need a 680 credit score. Your LLC must be established for at least 2 years with the Secretary of State website, not based on your tax ID number. It's based on the Secretary of State website. So whenever you file your LLC and they got originated, that's the actual filing date where your business starts for these banks. And yes, you must do a personal guarantee for this line of credit. Again, your credit has to be a 680 minimum credit score. Now, how much is Fifth Third Capital going to lend to you? They're going to give you up to 10% of your gross revenue for the last filed tax return. So if your business makes $1 million, you're going to qualify for the $100,000. Now, your business only makes $500,000, then you're going to qualify for $50,000. Now, we have seen some applications where they don't ask for any financials whenever the applications are around $50,000. Anything over 50, in most cases, they're asking for at least a 45060, which is a tax transcript. So again, depending on how much you're looking for, you don't have a lot of documentation, I will probably apply for 50. But if you have a very strong personal credit report and your SBS says it's really good, then try to go for the full 100. And anything over $100,000, it's going to be a full documentation loan. Again, 2 years business tax returns, 1 year personal, year-to-date financials, personal guarantee, and they might ask for collateral. Collateral can be an asset on UCC lien all business assets, real estate, inventory, equipment. So how do you apply for the line of credit? So unfortunately, you cannot apply online. So you will have to schedule an appointment with a business banker near your local branch. So you can either give them a call to set up the appointment or just schedule the appointment online. On top of the line of credit, they also have term loans, real estate loans, SBA financing, but the line of credit is a product that we're going for. And remember, you always want to build that relationship with the lending institutions that you're trying to get capital from, because what the banks really care about is for the type of relationship that you already have established with them. So now, if you want to go deeper and you want to learn exactly how to get approved for multiple institutions, and if you want to be like plenty of the members are getting $50,000 to $250,000 approvals in my community, I highly recommend that you check out my Loan Hero community. We have close to 600 members. Check the link on the description to see how you can join. And as always, if you got value from this video, make sure you either send it to a friend or entrepreneur that's looking for the capital, like the video, let me know in the comments how the process goes, and to see if you got an approval, you have questions, maybe the underwriter is giving you a hard time, just drop your question in the comments and I'm going to answer every single question myself to try to help you get that approval on the video. So see you in the next one.